So, you're probably wondering, how does Semrush calculate search volume? Don't worry, I'll guide you through that on this video. First, I want you to head over to keyword overview in the left sidebar here, okay? Make sure you click on SEO so you can get this drop down, and then come click on keyword overview. Now I want you to come here and search for the desired keyword. And of course, if you want, you can specify the location as well. For example, Twitter, the United States. If you want to be more specific, you can do, for example, California, and then just go ahead and click on search. Now in this case, we've done just for United States. And here you can see we have the search volume in the United States, aka the number of times this keyword is being searched in the location we have specified. Okay, we can see the keyword difficulty, the global volume as well, right? So the keyword difficulty is how easy it is to rank for that keyword. So this one is very hard. It is 100% difficulty, right? Now, Semrush also allows further drilling down on location to get more specific data. For example, we talked about, choosing California, so you can come click onto this drop down and choose California, or you can search that up. Now, this is what we get if we search for the state of California. Get the cost per click as well. A lot of information here. You'll see the different keyword variations, the different questions that people are searching for, related keywords, right? So Semrush basically uses advanced machine learning algorithm and vast amounts of search engine data to calculate keyword volumes for you. Okay, so they combine third-party data with historical clickstream data. They process this data through a computing cluster to create a model, and they apply the model to estimate volumes for billions of keywords. And it's really that easy and simple.